Hi, welcome to my crib. These are the first set of stairs, and this is my room. Welcome. I love clothing. For me, I didn't grow up with a lot of money. To me, clothing was like going to Cotton On and find the closest denim jacket to whatever I wanted. When I'm in clothing that really expresses my identity and my personality and myself, like I suddenly have the confidence to really be loud, be expressive, you know, and say whatever comes to mind. In fact, like things actually come to mind quicker when I'm in comfortable clothing. Coming to Fashion Week, like I really don't know what to expect. We're sitting in a room full of like the most skilled and elite people in this industry, which some people might just die for and some people just don't understand like at all. It actually looked way more bougie on the internet, because everything that is posted up on the internet, it's all like the glam moments and like the picture perfect stuff, but it actually became way more personal. I really like the choice cutouts of like the sleeves, because you know in medieval times it's like they had to be long because you had to be like decent, it's all about covering up, but then it's like to be sexy instead of like cutting it short, she kind of like, it really made a difference. I really want to see like the process, like if you say okay I'm going to start a collection, like how she really like conceptualizes and kind of like mind maps everything that she wants to come out, like how many pants for that matter, you know, how many long skirts, how many short skirts, because everything seems to come together really nicely. Like it feels like a jigsaw puzzle. It's like it wants to be every shape at once. Am I a square? Am I like oblong? Am I a circle? Nobody knows.